Jack, who's going on the airplane again?
And Debbie.
Mommy and Daddy, and who else?
Jack.
Yep.
And Fanny. She here at Bob's house and Gail's house.
Yeah. Fanny's gonna stay here at Gail and Bob's house, right?
Yeah.
Who else is gonna go out skiing? Who's going?
Debbie,
Debbie and Emmon.
and Daddy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Yep.
Jack.
Jack. Who else?
And Fanny here at Bob's house.
Fanny's staying here at Gail and Bob's house. Yep. Who else is going? You just said the whole list. You were so good.
Okay.
Who's gonna go on the airplane?
Debbie, Daddy, Mommy, Jack. And Auntie Mick.
Yeah.
And Ethan too.
That's right. And then there's just one person you're missing. Who is it? Sean, right?
Yeah.
That's a good job. But who are you saying, just so they get the name? It's Debbie and who else? Jack, Debbie and who?
Debbie.
Emmon?
Yeah.
Grandma Emmon?
Yeah.
Debbie and Grandma Emmon? Okay.